Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.
Shirley's telling me to take my clothes off.
Oh, it's so hot.
This is a proper sauna. I am pouring sweat. I'm like a red lobster.
Good morning.
Never caught anything here, but I love fishing. Been a fisherman my whole life. Since I was a kid, always fishing. So huge respect to my boys fishing out there.
Look at Jake behind you.
Cone of shame. One of the funniest comments yesterday. Cone of shame. Sorry, Jake.
0.
Not much fish here. The only hope is that maybe a trevally passes by in the current.
I think you can catch to the bronc.
Put it right. More likely.
Yeah.
Beautiful morning. We're gonna go back inside, get a breakfast, maybe a small power nap, and then we're gonna go to Oco Cave.
Oco Cave?
I think it's called Oco. Some healing power.
What happened, Finn?
Hey, Jules.
No sleepers?
I don't see any Spartans.
Spartans?
Where's the Spartans? By the way, we went to another local shop on the side of the road earlier, but the store was closed, so we had to go to the mall.
Yeah.
Well, now we're going to the viral Oco Cave. I'm sure some of you guys have heard about it. Some sent me a message about it to check it out, and it's here in Dauin, the healing cave. Let's find out what it's all about.
I wish you can heal my what?
We'll heal something, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Alright, we made it halfway up in the mountain. Now we're on a semi-off-road. That's more fun! Woo! Bumper!
Ah!
Sorry, Anna!
It's okay. I smell broken egg.
Yeah, the smell is here already. Whoa, look at that. That's geothermal area. You can definitely see that. Probably this whole crater here.
For sure.
And you're right, the smell is already very dense.
Broken egg.
It reminds me of Iceland, Mount
Yeah.
Apo.
Saraka Road.
Oco Cave. Let's find out what it's all about. Maybe I can ask them what kind of healing properties. Ay, buntak. Is this the Oco Cave?
Yeah.
What kind of healing power do we have in there? Can I heal something?
Yeah. You can hear something.
Scientifically din no proven.
We don't talk about science. Only fiction. So I have sometimes I have bad thoughts, mindset. So hopefully maybe the cave can erase
I'm gonna
that.
release your toxins though. Let's
Yes.
try.
Hear that, Shalin? If we have toxic, we can do that.
Whoa!
Yeah. It's 45 degrees, they say.
We don't know.
I think so. Ooh. That's
Oh, it's
that's
so hot.
really hot. Woo! Okay, there we go. Oh my god.
The camera is fogging already.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be bad. I'm gonna bring the GoPro. Smells like sulfur. Ooh, it's hot. Ouch, 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 ouch. Into the volcano. Oh my god. It's like a sauna.
True.
Finnish sauna. Ooh. Okay, let's get chilling. Oh. Wow. Oh my god.
What did you experience?
It's so hot. Shirley's telling me to take my clothes off.
Yeah, because you said it feels so hot. I
Okay.
used to. Oof. Oh, you wrote it there. Oh, it's so hot.
Come on, go, go, go. You gotta go down.
So hot.
Yeah, yeah, you gotta try it. You're not gonna burn.
Sabi ako. Okay. Oh, my contact lens.
Okay, go, go, go.
Ano to? Sauna.
Ugh. Nice. Go down, go down. Yeah.
Oh, this is real. Oh, this is real sauna.
Yeah, this is a proper sauna. Is it good, boys?
Yes.
Now we're gonna start sweating. Get all the toxins out.
Wow, this is so good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Oh, this is so good. Oh,
You see there's yellow. That's the mineral sulfur. Oh yeah, get us the ice. So this is 45 degrees. And when you get out into the 32, it feels cold outside. Yeah, come on in, guys. We have lots of space in here. Oh,
oh, this is too.
good job, boys.
You know what is the best for this, Finn? Jump in the pool. It's super cold.
Yeah, we gotta go in the pool. Let's go to. Oh my! Yeah, close your eyes.
Yeah, I
It
can.
gets in. I don't know if it's the sulfur or the sweat. Maybe it's the sweat getting into our eyes.
I think it's the
The steep, yeah, because of the sulfur. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, I am pouring sweat. I'm like a red lobster. You know, if I was cooked in a pot right now,
Oh,
I'm like a red lobster now. Well cooked.
oh,
Oh my
look at
god.
Finn.
Whoa, this is awesome. Feels good though.
Yeah, it says good.
It's just the ice. It kind of sucks with the ice. Ah. I think it's the sulfur that gets into the ice,
Yeah,
not the sweat. How cool does it feel now outside?
it's so good.
Yeah.
It's
If
like
it,
refreshing.
yeah, even it's blazing hot outside, it feels very cool after the sauna. Wow.
It's refreshing. It's good.
And we're pretty early in the morning and this is very popular. A lot of people come here.
I've been in Cebu City like doing a sauna because my friend owns one of the saunas place, and we usually do that like a 10 to 15 minutes, stay there and then jump in the pool like super cold. I know this one I can't take to stay 10 minutes.
I
Like
think it's hotter.
it's super hot.
This is hotter than the other sauna.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's really
this
hot,
is
guys.
so hot. I can't.
Actually, being outside right now is it's one of the most refreshing feelings ever.
Yep.
Any breeze of wind coming in touches your skin. Oh, it feels nice. So when I did saunas back home in Iceland, I don't remember this exact feeling because here, maybe it's a sulfur.
Actually, it's kind of bit similar.
Like my skin is it's very strange. It definitely has some sort of healing properties, that's for sure. So even if the guy said nothing scientific, well, the scientific part would be the chemicals coming out of the earth, the sulfur and the steam mixed together, hitting your body, releasing maybe toxins, the sweats. So there is some scientific benefits of this cave.
And yes, we all know that sulfur is really good for skin.
Yeah.
But not for lungs.
Not for lungs and not for eyes. So on the counter, maybe it's not good for the, the eyes and the lungs. Not to look, maybe that's good to wear a mask when you're inside. But for the skin, really good. How's your skin?
Oh, soothing.
Yeah?
Damn, I feel like it's just like refreshing. Oh.
Shailen, have you heard about Squarespace?
Yeah, of course. I saw that in your video.
Well, did you know that I made a website and learned the platform in only one day?
That's impossible.
Because the platform is a drag and drop and no coding website. So you can create your website without learning coding.
Wow, that would be amazing.
Well, that's how easy it is. And even if you want to sell products, like the book we're going to release in a couple of weeks, we're going to put it on the website.
If that's so, then I should make one. So what's the code?
I'm glad you asked for it. You have a 10% discount code for your very first purchase. So go to squarespace.com/FinnSnow and build your website today.
Okay, let's go.
Hope you like that section. We just arrived in a man-made forest only 2-3 minutes away from Oco Cave. We noticed it driving towards Oco Cave. So I've never been here before, and what you're seeing behind us is obviously a man-made forest. If we change the angle of the camera now, you'll see that the trees are aligned. They're very
Super
straight.
aligned.
See that? They're super aligned. It's almost like a human planted them.
Because it's a man-made.
I think so too. We believe it's a rubber tree. You reckon?
Yeah,
They're all rubber trees, so maybe they're gonna be harvested
the near future.
when they're ready. They look tall. They might be ready. Who knows? But that's a cool sight to see.
Ben!
Yes.
Whoa! Did not see you there?
Strangers again. Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much
Fun little day. Let's go back and get lunch.
Yep.
It's a nice place. Oh, what's that?
It's a beef.
I like that. Let's get the beef. Ooh, that's a big piece. I think it's a carabao or a normal.
It's a beef.
Very nice.
So tender.
Very tender, yeah. Who needs filet mignon when you got this?
We have a special day today. It's actually International Coastal Cleanup. It's a common thing here in the Philippines when we are celebrating something, we're using a tarpaulin. However, today is a coastal cleanup and we don't want to produce more plastic. So instead, we use this cardboard as a recycle.
What did you bring?
Yeah. We do
That's
Get up.
Oh my goodness, that's a proper one. You want to see ours, Alex? We made one as well.
Oh, wow.
So, comment below which one is better, Shirley's or Alex?
This one was created by the DNR.
Okay, obviously Alex looks way better, but we got an environmental friendly one. Good job, Shirley. Good job, Alex.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
We can put that one there. In the sea. Okay?
In the sea?
Like, yeah. We can go diving. We can use
I'll bring it to
small
the dive.
tank. Small tank.
Right.
Okay? Just only like a minute or
That's okay, it's okay.
25.
Okay, so we don't have tanks actually, but we're gonna do a coastal cleanup around our area. So my theory or principle is that we were invited to another place to clean, but then I thought, well, my place is kind of dirty. So what's the point to do other cleanups if you can't even take care of your own? So we're gonna clean up our neighborhood.
Nice stroke.
Ready? Justin? Trash. Yeah. I love picking up trash. Especially vacuuming. Vacuuming is the most fun ever.
For underwater. This one for underwater. This is for coastal.
Good job, Alex. We got some volunteers on the beach. Hey, where are you guys from? Dauin?
Yes. We're from
Now that we picked up all the trash from the beach and around the parking area, we're gonna jump into the water and go the extra mile of picking up the trash in the ocean. And just like that, in 14 minutes, full bag of trash. And that's the result. This is probably the best thing we can do is bring the young generation with us and inspire them to take care of the environment as well.